Hi children, in the last class we have learned about Indian system and international system. We have learned about Indian system and international system. With the Indian system, now we will learn how to write the numbers in expanded form. Okay children, how we have to write in expanded form. Expanded form. Expanded form is also known as expanded notation. Expanded form is also known as expanded notation. Now let us see one number. What is the number they have given? Anna? 6, 4, 5, 3, 2, 1, 7. With these digits, we ought to write the place values. So first let us write the place values. The place values we have to start from the right side or left side? We have to start from the right side. Okay children, the place values we have to start from the right side of your right hand. See, first write the place value. From starting, what we have to write? Ones. Ones is also known as units. Ones place is also called units place. So, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Tell once again, Anna. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay. Now, let us see in the place value chart. Let us see in the place value chart. Now, 6 is in which place? 10 lakhs place. 6 is in which place? 10 lakhs place. 4 is in which place? Lakhs place. 4 is in which place? Lakhs place. 5 is in which place? 10,000 place. 5 is in which place? 10,000 place. 3 is in which place? 1,000 place. 3 is in which place? 1,000 place. 2 is in which place? Hundreds place. 2 is in hundreds place. 1 is in which place? Tens place. 1 is in tens place. 7 is in ones place or units place. 7 is in ones place or units place. We can call units place also. Okay children. Now let us see how we have to write in expanded form. Okay. Now let us see how we have to write in expanded form. Now let us write the number Nana. So total number what it is? 64 lakhs 53,217. With this number we have to write the expanded form. See, now 6 is in which place? 10 lakhs place. So 6 into 10 lakhs. 6 is in which place? 10 lakhs place. So the number is 6 into 10 lakhs. Next, plus. So here we are doing addition, no, adding some, no. So that's why we have to keep plus symbol. So next number is 4. 4 is in which place? Lakhs place. So 4 into lakhs. The next number is 4. 4 is in which place? Lakhs place. 4 into lakhs. Plus. The next number is 5. 5 is in which place? 10,000 place. So 5 into 10,000. 5 is in which place? 10,000 place. So 5 into 10,000. Next. 3. 3 is in which place? 1,000 place. So 3 into 1,000. 3 is in which place? 1,000 place. 3 into 1,000. Next 2. 2 is in which place? 100 place. So 2 into 100. 2 is in which place? 100 place. So 2 into 100 plus 1 is in which place? Tens place. So 1 into 10. 1 is in which place? Tens place. So 1 into 10. Next 7 is in which place? Ones place or unit place. So 7 into 1. 7 into 1. So by writing like this, now see, 6 into 10 lakhs. So the total number is 60 lakhs. 6 into 10 lakhs. So the total number is 60 lakhs. Plus 4 into 1 lakh. 4 into 1 lakh. So the total number is 4 lakhs. Next 5 into 10,000. 5 into 10,000. So the number is 50,000. 5 into 10,000. So the number is 50,000. Next 3 into 1,000. 3 into 1,000. Then it is called 3,000. 3,000. 2 into 100. 2 into 100. Then it is called 200. 200. 1 into 10. 1 into 10. Then it becomes 10. Next 7 into 1. 7 into 1 is called 7. Now by adding all these numbers we have This one means 64,53,217. Let us check. See. Now, what is the first number, Nana? 60 lakhs. What is the second number? 4 lakhs. Third number 50,000. Fourth one 3,000. Next 200. Next 10. Next 7. Write all the numbers in order. Now let us add all the numbers. Now in the ones place, what is the number we got it here? 0. Here 0. Here 0. 0. 0. 0. Plus 7. So the number is 7. Next, add in the tens place numbers. All we got it 0. Only last number we got 1. So 1. In the hundreds place, what the number we got it? 2. Next, in thousand place, by adding all the numbers we got 3. So 3. In the 10,000 place, by adding all the numbers we got 5. So 5. In the lakhs place, 0 plus 4, 4. So 4. The last 10 lakhs place, we got it 6. So the total number is 64,53,217. So do you understand, Anna? Now see one more example. Okay? See, let us see. I have written one number here. So by using this number, we have written the place values. So from which side we have to write the place values? From the right side or left side? From the right side we have to write the place values. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. Okay? Why? Because we have written up to crores. Because here how many digit number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is a 8 digit number. So 8 digit number means we have to write up to crores place. Now 4 is in which place? Crores place. 5 is in which place? 10 lakhs place. 3 is in which place? Lakhs place. 2 is in which place? 10,000 place. 1 is in which place? 1,000 place. 4 is in which place? Hundreds place. 5 is in which place? Tens place. 6 is in which place? Ones place or units place. Now let us see the place value. Now 6 is in which place? 4. 4 is in which place? Crores place. So the number is 4 crores. 5 is in which place? 10 lakhs place. So the number is 50 lakhs. 3 is in which place? Lakhs place. So the number is 3 lakhs. 2 is in which place? 10,000 place. So the number is 20,000. 1 is in which place? 1,000 place. So the number is 1,000. 4 is in which place? Hundreds place. So the number is 400. 5 is in which place? Tens place. So the number is 50. 6 is in which place? Ones place. So it is 6. Now let us see the sum. Now 4 is in crores place. No? So 4 into 1 crore. 5 is in 10 lakhs place. So 5 into 10 lakhs. 3 is in which place? Lakhs place. So 3 into 1 lakh. 2 is in which place? 10,000 place. So 2 into 10,000. 1 is in which place? 1,000 place. So 1 into 1,000. 4 is in which place? 100 place. So 4 into 100. Plus 5 is in which place? Tens place. 5 into 10. 6 is in which place? Ones place. So 6 into 1. By multiplying, see, 4 into 1 crore equal to 4 crores. Plus 5 into 10 lakhs. 5 into 10 lakhs. Then we got it 50,000. Next, 3 into 1 lakh. 3 into 1 lakh. 3 lakhs. 2 into 10,000. We got it 20,000. 1 into 1,000. We got it 1,000. 4 into 100. We got 400. 5 into 10. 50. 6 into 1. 6. Okay children. Now let us add all the numbers. By adding all the numbers, we have to get in the short form. See, let us add all the numbers. Now we got the place values up to where? Crores place. So first all of you write up to crores place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. Okay. The first number what we got it? 4 crores. So right here. Next, what is the next number? Second number 50,000. So 50 lakhs. So right here 50 lakhs. Next 3 lakhs. So right here 3 lakhs. Next 20,000. Right here 20,000. Next 1,000. Next 400. Next 50. Next 6. By adding all these numbers we got it. See. 0 plus 0, 0. 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 0 plus 6, 6. Next, go to the tens place. 0 plus 0, 0. 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 0 plus 5, 5. Okay, go to the hundreds place. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 4, 4. Next, 1,000 place. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. Next, 10,000 place. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 2, 2. Next, lakhs place. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 3, 3. Next, 10 lakhs place. 0 plus 5, 5. In the crores place, we got it only 4. So, write 4. So, total number is 4 crores, 53 lakhs, 21,456. So, do you understand, children? The next topic is short form. The short form is also known as standard notation. The short form is also known as standard notation. Next, here let us see one example. Let us see one example. Here they given in expanded form. Here they given in expanded form. By seeing the expanded form, we had to convert to short form. Expanded form, we had to convert to short form. Now, let us see. Here they given one number. What is this? See, first see the place values. First see the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. So 6 is in which place? Crores place. 6 is in which place? Crores place. Next, go to the next number. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. See once again. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So 5 is in which place? 10 lakhs place. 5 is in which place? 10 lakhs place. Now go to the next one. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs. No, 4 is in which place? Lakhs place. 4 is in which place? Lakhs place. Next, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So 2 is in which place? 10,000. 2 is in which place? 10,000. Next, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. 3 is in which place? 1,000 place. 3 is in which place, Nana? 1,000 place. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. So 4 is in which place? Hundreds place. 4 is in which place? Hundreds place. Ones, tens. So 3 is in which place? Tens place. Now next 5. 5 is in which place? Ones place. Ones place we also call as units place. Now let us see. Write the table. First write the table. Now by observing all these place values, which is the highest place value? Crores is the highest place value. What is the highest place value? Crores is the highest place value. So write from ones to crores place. From ones to crores place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. Write the place values from ones to crores. Okay children. Now let us see the first one. Now 6 is in which place? Crores place. 6 is in which place? Crores place. So in the crores place we have to write 6. Now next number 5. 5 is in which place? 10 lakhs place. 5 is in which place? 10 lakhs place. So write the 5 in 10 lakhs box. Next 4 is in which place? Lakhs place. 4 is in which place? Lakhs place. So write here 4. Next 2 is in which place? 10,000 place. 2 is in which place? 10,000 place. So write here 2 in 10,000 place. Next 3 is in which place? 1,000 place. 3 is in which place? 1,000 place. So write 3 in the 1,000 box. Next 4 is in which place? Hundreds place. 4 is in hundreds place. So write 4 in hundreds place. 3 is in which place? Tens place. 3 is in which place? Tens place. So write here 3. Next 5 is in which place? Ones place. So write here 5. So do you understand Nana? Let us see one more example. Now see the second example. Here what I given Nana? 50,000. Here 4,000. 300. 5. By using these numbers we had to write in short form. By using these numbers we had to write in short form. Now see the first number. See ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000. So 5 is in which place? 10,000 place. 5 is in which place? 10,000 place. Next ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000. So 4 is in which place? Thousands place. 4 is in which place? Thousands place. Next ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Now 3 is in which place? Hundreds place. 3 is in which place? Hundreds place. Next 5. 5 is in which place? Ones place or units place. 5 is in which place? Ones place or we can call units place. Now let us write in the table. Now what is the highest place value here? 10,000. What is the highest place value here? 10,000. So write the place values. From which side we have to write? From the right side or left side? From the right side. So write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000. So 5 is in which place? 10,000 place. So write 5 in 10,000 place. Next 4 is in which place? 1,000 place. So write 4 in 1,000 place. 3 is in which place? Hundreds place. So write 3 in hundreds place. Here we have got it tens place? No. So in the tens place we have to keep 0. Okay. Next 5 is in which place? Ones place. So in the ones place we have to write 5. So the total number is 54,305. The total number is 54,305. So do you understand now how we have to write the short form? Okay children.